What is going on, boys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jordan with Exotic Whips. You guys know the drill. Anyway, kind of a weird one today. So I went and got paintless dent removal on this last week, and I recorded it. I recorded it using trusty iPhone, and for some reason the clips got messed up, so I didn't have any of the before and any of the stuff I filmed on the way there. So I wanted to kind of update you guys with that, because what you're going to see in the next few clips after this is the after, which I'm, by the way, really stoked about. Really stoked about. So wait to see the after on that, because it turned out so good. It's unbelievable. They did an amazing job. There are a few questions I have for you guys, so try and make it to the end of it, or around, like, I don't know when, but I want to get your guys' opinion on a few things on the state of this build and where I'm going with it and what I'm doing with it, and I want your guys' input on that. I want to let it get warmed up before we rip on it a lot, or harder. So basically, I'll try and show this to you guys now from some old clips. What I had was door dings on both doors, and then the rear quarter panel on each side, both of those had a few dings, and then the hood, it had something that was, it somehow got a dent from the underside, so something happened with that. I have no idea what, but somehow there was a dent coming up on the driver's side of the hood. So I wanted them to fix that too, and according to them, that one was that's more of a problem. Oh, perfect. This car, man, it is so perfect. I know a couple guys have asked about a comparison between the S50 and the S54. That's coming, because that is a great comparison video. Although I'm not the best in the experience with the S50, because I only had it for probably 1,000 miles and I didn't really beat on it that hard. God, this S54 is just an amazing motor. It's so good. Anyway, so I wanted to update you guys with that. That way we're not just jumping into the results of the paintless dent removal. I tried to film before. I don't know what happened. Some of you tech guys, basically the footage that I have, the audio continues, but for some reason the video loops every like 20 seconds. So the audio continues properly, but the video loops for some reason, and it might be an importing problem. I have no idea. I won't bore you guys with that. You guys don't care about that stuff. But the results, the way what they did over at Austin Dent Works, which is where I took it, was unbelievable. Those guys did a spectacular job. So I'm gonna show you guys the after. Coming up right now is the after, but we got to get one more good pull in for you guys. It just sounds, the S54, I don't know if it's the entire Euro header, Super Sprint, Stromong exhaust setup that I have. It just sounds so pure. It sounds like such a good NA car. Love this thing. Bicyclist pointing at me. Shifted first a little bit. I short shifted first a little bit. My bad. My bad, boys. Anyway, all right, that's enough. I've had my fun. Here are the clips after what paintless dent removal looks like. Again, stay tuned towards the end. I want your guys' take on kind of what you guys would do with this build and where it currently is. I want your opinion on that. So, here it is. Alright boys, so we got the E36. I got her back from Paintless Dent. And dude, to say I am stoked on the results is like a complete understatement. I don't know what else to say though. I'm really stoked with how this turned out. So let me show you this. If you remember, I'll try and find a clip or something of the hood. You remember there was a dent going up, and here it is now. So there's literally nothing there. Now, I do have a fitment issue with my hood that I've always had, and I'm not sure why that is, but the main thing I was concerned about was the dent that was right there going up, and that is completely gone. Now move on to the door panel. There were a couple of little door dings back by the handle, and those are completely gone. Perfect. And then there was a couple up here that they got as well, and those are like the other one's gone. Make our way to this side. There were a couple of small ones up here, again basically the same side as the other, and there's literally nothing. It's so good. Now the paint needs some work. Like there are these little scratches and stuff that I want to get out with detailing. Like there's a whole bunch of stuff like that I want to fix, that I want to fix, a little scratch right there that I want to fix. There was another door ding here, gone. And for the most part, those are all the dings in the car. Now there are some chips and stuff, like right here, that I have to fix. And what I'm going to do with that is I have touch-up paint, and I'm going to do my best to touch those up and then buff those out. I'm not a detailer, I'm not an expert in that, so I'm trying to come up with some way that I think would be the best to do this, because, you know, like the hood, for example, there's little things like this that I would love to have completely gone. Same thing right here. But I mean, for what it is, as a 95, I really can't complain about the body on this thing. It is in great shape. The paint is in great shape. Yeah, it has a few chips here and there. I'm gonna fix those, but for the most part, getting the body straight was my first concern, and I pretty much did that, so now I'm good to go. Now it's just all the little things. I'm really stoked with the direction this is going. Remember, I still do have my Recaro pole positions that I'm gonna put in. I'm gonna be taking those out, and the pole positions will match the back seats a lot better. Body just looks great. The line, there's just no dings in it now, and that's just what I was going for. Alright, and then if we're gonna nitpick, look, this is a 95, and 95s are notorious for this little, I don't know what you'd call it, bulging. There was a recall done for this dash, but obviously this one didn't have it done, so I'm kind of up in the air on whether or not I want to replace the dash entirely with like a 96 through 99, or if you guys think I should just say screw it and just start actually ripping on this thing, taking it to the track. I mean, I do plan on doing that anyway, but I've got this build to a point now to where I love the body condition. I love the paint is in great shape, but there are little things that are really bugging me that I want to fix. but I don't know if it's worth it. Like the dash, I feel like wouldn't be too hard of a job, but I know there's a lot of stuff under there. And I know it's gonna take me longer than a day to get this out and a new one in. So with things like that, I'm really torn. Do I go through the interior and really just try and make it like pristine, or do I say it's good where it is now and just really start having fun with it? I'm going to do that. I'm going to track it regardless, but these are the little things I struggle with. Should I buy different dash and replace it, or should I not? Should I worry about the A-pillar that doesn't match the other one, because that A-pillar is new and this A-pillar isn't, and I want to replace this one, but like, is it worth it? Let me know. Let me know in the comments below. What would you guys do with this project where it's currently at? Would you basically go full send with it and replace all the little nitpicky parts that bother you? Or would you just get it dialed in and head to the track and really start having fun with it? Because that's kind of where I'm at now. So drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. That's all I got for you today, boys. But I will be back soon with another video on this E36 M3. We got a lot more good stuff coming with this thing. I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.